This is DJ Bryce.
Yeah. Boy, you talk about bad man walk and bad man talk, but none of them don't really have no bad man heart. Them have bad man face and bad man smile, but profiling and no bad man style. Them and bad man grow how much bad man them do, but informer think that a no bad man flow show. Bad man sign them the bad one time, but no for them just bad mind. Mommy said Kingston 20, sling gun plenty. Beat the drum until it band them empty. Spanish town youngster no play around a sharp shooter. Them man then a fire waste round watcha. Out the east boy this get disease no call no doctor. Call the coroner, call the priest. Don't go down them now, me say better learn this, no south, this, no Curtis. When me say, if you did know, real gangster life, before you say your bad, you woulda think twice. Them a hot bad and a shot bad, think back and watch bad. Enough bad man a try stop bad and talk about. Bad man walk and bad man talk, but none of them no really have no bad man heart. Them a bad man face and bad man smile, but profiling and no bad man style. Them a bad man show, but bad man let them walk.
This is DJ Bryce.
Happy work hard is a must, cause me nah go home without them dinner. Some things got to give, no me no want go home without no dinner. My youth them a believe me going harder. Yes, my youth them a feel love them father. Protect them and be there for them mother. Every day them smile me get brother. Oh, they must know I'm their hero.
This is DJ Bryce.
If you tell me that you want me to stay, I won't go. If you tell me that you need me right here, right now, I can love you when it's up, when it's down, I can roll. So tell me that you want me to stay. I don't wanna say another goodbye, another breakup, I don't wanna cry. And I don't wanna start over again this time around. I don't want it to win, the loving you is great. I must admit that the good outweighs the bad. Baby, you're not perfect, no, I mean not perfect. We break up, no, the two of we are the sad anyway. If you tell me that you want me to stay, I won't go.
See the signs and you move like
if you tell me that you need me right here, right now,
create something in your mind to tell us that it's alright. Brother, you kill her vibe, she's crying out to right. She's
This is DJ
but brother, read
Bryce.
between the lines. Time to let her go. You know, see she's showing you the signs. She not take her life. If she wants to go, then let her go. Last time I checked the ratio at 10 to 1. One leap a woman know them be at 10 to 1. If she says she done, you need to understand. Me know you love her, but you have to love yourself too. Can't believe how when me hearing. Where's the love for one another? Where's the caring? Me know say love for the woman, them out there daring. But for your life, brother, you control the steering. Now you have to read between the lines.
I'll be alright.
To let her go,
I'ma be alright.
bring you the sun.
Tell me say you're leaving. Tell me say
You
you're
know,
leaving, girl.
I tell you,
Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day.
Don't you ever think to take her now.
Girl, look how much time you say you're leaving and me never beg you come back. When me uneasy, girl, you never give me comfort. But now you want me back again. So you see me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that. Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end, so why you still and watch me?
You're in a mix with
I'ma
God's
be
#1
alright.
DJ. This is
Tell me say you're
DJ
leaving, tell me say you're
Bryce.
leaving, girl. Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day. Girl, look how much time you say you're leaving and me never beg you come back. When me uneasy, girl, you never give me comfort. But now you want me back again. So you see me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that. Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end, so why you still and watch me? You know I say you and your friend them a be a paparazzi. Once it true you can't find nobody out there fi match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me.
This is DJ Bryce.